Hello friends, here practice set 6.1. Now today start question number 6. Prove that in trigonometry. First example, sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. Now here prove LHS is equal to RHS. Now take LHS. First LHS sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta. Now taking simplification, sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta upon cos theta. Now here we know the identity, basic identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now here take sin square theta plus cos square theta using basic identity value 1 upon cos theta. Now we know the relation between sec theta and cos theta. Using cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Relation between cos theta and sec theta. Therefore, 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. And now, here prove sec theta is the RHS. And LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Here, one example is proved. And now, student, second example. Here cos theta in bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now here prove LHS is equal to RHS. Take LHS first. Cos square theta in bracket 1 plus tan square theta. Now also known the second identity. Here the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. These are the three basic identities. Then cos square theta into, now 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Then we know relation between the cos and sec theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Using this relation, cos square theta is equal to 1 upon sec square theta into sec square theta. Sec square theta cancel is equal to 1. And this is the RHS, value of RHS. Now LHS is equal to RHS. Like this, the second example is proved. LHS is equal to RHS. Student, example number third, under root 1 minus sin theta 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Similarly, we have proved LHS is equal to RHS. Now first take LHS. Then LHS is equal to under root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Now in quantity 1 minus sin theta, multiply and divide 1 minus sin theta. Therefore, the value of quantity is same. Then under root 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 square minus sin square theta. But we know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then taking 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Then under root of 1 minus sin theta whole square upon using identity cos square theta. Then square and square root. Take square and square root, then quantity 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Now separating these, here 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. Now also known the relation 1 upon cos theta sec theta and sin theta upon cos theta tan theta. Here cos 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta, sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Then here RHS. Now LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Take these are multiply and divide same quantity, taking square, find out square root and relation. Here prove LHS is equal to RHS. Here fourth example, sec theta minus cos theta, cot theta plus tan theta is equal to tan theta into sec theta. Now here also prove LHS is equal to RHS. Now take first LHS, sec theta minus cos theta into cot theta plus tan theta. We know the basic identities. Then our relation, here sec theta 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta. Now relation between sin and cos, cot theta cos theta upon sin theta plus tan theta sin theta upon cos theta. Then taking cross multiplication, 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta. Here taking cross multiplication, cos square theta plus sin square theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Now using identities, basic identity, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta upon cos theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Then sin square theta and sin theta cancel. Then sin theta upon cos theta into 1 upon cos theta. Now sin theta upon cos theta, basic identity, a relation tan theta 1 upon cos theta sec theta. This is LHS is equal to RHS. Now here write the relation 1 upon cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta, and cos theta upon sin theta is equal to cot theta. This is the relation between trigonometric ratios. LHS is equal to RHS. Practice set 6.1. Example 5. Here cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Now take first LHS. LHS of this equation, cot theta plus tan theta. Therefore, now in terms of sin and cos, cot theta is written as cos theta upon sin theta plus tan theta in terms of sin and cos, sin theta upon cos theta. Now taking cross multiplication, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now we know the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Basic identity. Then the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now separating 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. Also 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta into 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta, which is the RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Now, example number 6. 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Now here also similarly take LHS. First 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Now rationalize the denominator. Means we know sec theta plus tan theta divided by sec theta plus tan theta. Here rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Then sec theta plus tan theta. Now using formula A minus B, A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. Now using this formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta. Also known the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Then sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Using this identity, sec theta plus tan theta divided by 1. Now sec theta plus tan theta is equal to RHS. Now LHS is equal to RHS, which is the required result. Now student, see the question number 7. Now here in textbook, sec 4 raised to theta minus cos 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Now here correction. Here replace sec theta by sine 4 raised to theta. Then solve. Now taking LHS, sine 4 raised to theta minus cos 4 raised to theta. Sine 4 raised to theta minus cos 4 raised to theta. Now this equation is written in the form sine square theta whole square minus cos square theta whole square using the indices rule. Then we know formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. Then using this formula, now sine square theta plus cos square theta in second bracket sine square theta minus cos square theta. Then also known the basic identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We know basic identity. The value of sine square theta plus cos square theta is taken as 1. Then 1 into sine square theta minus cos square theta. Then multiplying 1, then sine square theta minus cos square theta ही व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला भेटेल. त्यानंतर आणखीन also use the identity. Now sine square theta is written in the form 1 minus cos square theta using arrangement of first identity. Then replace the sine square theta using this 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta. Then minus cos square theta minus cos square theta. 1 minus 2 cos square theta. And this is the RHS. 1 minus 2 cos square theta. LHS is equal to RHS, which is the required result. Here student, example number 8 in practice set 6.1. Now LHS sec theta plus tan theta is equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Now take first LHS sec theta plus tan theta. Now these two terms write in a terms of sin and cos. Now in sin and cos, the relation between sec and cos, we know sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta plus tan theta in terms of sin and cos, sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. Then 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Denominator same. They take direct addition. 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Now then rationalize the numerator. The quantity is rationalizing the numerator. Then 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta. This rationalize the numerator. Then using formula 1 minus sin square theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Then using also identity, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Then replace numerator cos square theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Then here cos theta cancel, square cancel, is equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta, and these are the RHS, cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. LHS is equal to RHS, which is the required result. This is the simple mathematics if we know the basic identities. Now here the relation between the trigonometric ratio and basic identity. Now here sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. If known, then the trigonometry is the simplest mathematics or simple examples. Welcome student. In this video, here we have to study practice set 6.1 for class 10. Now example number 9. Here we have studied in previous video example up to 8. Then like this example 9, if tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2, then show that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. Now take first, here given tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2. Then taking square on both sides. Now tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta whole square is equal to 2 square. Here write down, taking squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Now here use basic formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Applying this formula, tan square theta plus 2 into tan theta into 1 upon tan theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to square of 2 is 4. Here tan theta cancel. Tan square theta plus 2 plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4. Then next step, tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2, which is the required result. Now here example number 10. Tan A upon 1 plus tan square whole square plus cot A upon 1 plus cot square A whole square is equal to sin A into cos A. Now here take first LHS. Tan A upon 1 plus tan square A whole square plus cot A upon 1 plus cot square A whole square. Now taking LHS, tan A upon, using basic identities, we know 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now replace 1 plus tan square A, sec square A whole square plus cot A upon using this identity cosec square A whole square. Then tan A divided by sec 4 raised to A plus cot A divided by cosec 4 raised to A. Then using now write tan theta in terms of sin and cos is equal to sin A upon cos A divided by sec 4 raised to A, relation between sec 1 upon cos 4 raised to A. Now in second bracket plus cos A upon sin A divided by relation between cosec and sin 1 upon sin 4 raised to A. Then next sin A upon cos A divide, change into multiply, then replace cos 4 raised to A plus cos A upon sin A multiply, divide, change into multiply, then sin 4 raised to A. Here cos A cancel, 4 raised to cancel cube, sin A cancel, here cancel 4 cube equal to sin A into cos cube A plus cos A into sin cube A. Then after this, now taking common sin into cos, sin A into cos A in bracket cos square A plus sin square A. Then also we know sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Identity here, angle change, sin square theta cos square theta, we know that the basic identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then taking 1, then sin A into cos A is equal to 1, and which is the RHS, which is the LHS is equal to RHS sin A into cos A. This is the simple example. Here tan A, cot A, using basic identity, replace this sec square theta, cosec square theta. Now this form ratio written in a division form, then replacing this value, division sign is replaced by multiply, means भागिले उलट गुणिले, भागिले उलट गुणिले. इथे आपण कॉमन काढलं साइन ए कॉस ए, साइन ए कॉस ए इथून जर कॉमन निघलं तर या ठिकाणी राहील फक्त कॉस स्क्वेअर ए. इथे आपण कॉमन काढलं साइन ए इंटू कॉस ए, इथं साइन स्क्वेअर ए राहिलं. आता ही आयडेंटिटीची किंमत 1 म्हणजे हे काय आलं RHS. LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS. Example number 11. sec 4 raised to a in bracket 1 minus sin square a minus 2 tan square a is equal to 1. Here LHS and RHS. First take LHS. Sec 4 raised to a in bracket 1 minus sin square a minus 2 tan square a. Here given a LHS. Then here taking mistake, sin 4 raised to a, sin 4 raised to a. Then sec 4 raised to a, the relation between sec and cos, 1 upon cos 4 raised to a. Now 1 minus sin 4 raised to a, we know expansion a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Using this identity or formula, 1 minus sin square a, 1 plus sin square a minus 2 tan square a. Then 1 upon cos 4 raised to a into 1 minus sin square a, using basic identity, cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. Then replace here cos square a in bracket 1 plus sin square a minus tan square written in sin and cos form, sin square a upon cos square a. Here cos raised to 4, here 4 cancel, cos square cancel. Then 1 minus sin square a upon cos square a minus 2 sin square a upon cos square a. Here denominator same, therefore 1 plus sin square a minus 2 sin square a upon cos square a. Then taking subtraction, 2 sin square a plus sin square a, 1 minus sin square a upon cos square a. Then also using identity, cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. Then replace 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a upon cos square a. Then same quantity is equal to 1 and is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Here in practice set 6.1, last example, when tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to tan theta plus sec theta plus 1, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Now this is the different method for prove this identity or equation. First choose the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now then tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Tan square theta is equal to minus 1. Then tan square theta, tan theta into tan theta, like this, sec theta plus 1 into sec theta minus 1. Now tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta. This is the arrangement. After this, by using theorem on equal ratio, first ratio tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to second ratio sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to addition of this ratio tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1 plus tan theta. Then rearrangement tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 divided by tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, which is the required result. First, apply the identity. Now arrange the identity in this type and two ratio. Then using theorem on equal ratio, this result is shown. आता हे व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला पसंत पडला असेल, तुमच्या मित्रांना सर्वांना शेअर करा, लाईक करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. म्हणजे तुम्हाला नवीन नवीन व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला यानंतरचे माझे पुन्हा आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला पाहायला भेटतील. थँक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस प्रॅक्टिस सेट अँड व्हिडिओ.